This is Equal Surf Ireland Crypto, and anything I say here is not financial advice. I am not a financial analyst, and just be clear about that. We're all adults. If there are any kids watching this, you should ask your mom and dad before you do anything. Okay. Now, I'm going to call this video the market. This is going to be about the market. It is Bitcoin, but I'm going to call it the market something. Okay. And the reason I'm going to call it the market something is because this is to do with the whole market, the cryptocurrency market, where we're at. Okay. And right now, this is Bitcoin, and I drew this yesterday, and you can see it's very, very clean, beautiful chart. I did draw in my areas of basic support, okay, where we were going to fall down to. And it came right down here, the daily 50 moving average, and it came down and tagged it. And this is the daily today. Came down yesterday, tagged it. Today we came down and tested it again. It tagged it, okay? So that could be your double bottom forming, right? Now, look, it looks good, but I mean, if you look at here, look at all this. This is all resistance, massive resistance to get up past it, okay, to 63,400, let's just say, okay? So there's a long way to go yet, a lot of stuff to break through. And I'm not saying it can't do it, of course it can do it, but there's a lot of messing around here. It's, there's a lot of stuff going on. It has to get up here and get up past 63,300. Then I'll be convinced that the correction is over, right? It's good to see that. That is a lovely wick on the daily candle right there. I'm going to zoom in, all right? So that is actually a lovely, lovely wick, nice and long. Okay, there's a long way to go. There's still 5 hours to go. But, it came down, retested the 50 daily moving average, and we've tagged it, and, pretty nice. Okay, what I would say in the short term is I'll go to the hourly. So you can see here in the hourly, we're under the 50. This is the hourly, the EMA here. But we have this cloud. I call this the cloud of misery. Okay, this is resistance. This red cloud. This is the Ichimiki cloud. Okay, and we're going to be coming into that now, and that is resistance. Okay, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how it interacts with that, which could actually push us back down again. Okay, so we could come in here and interact with it and come back down in here. All right, but we'll see what happens. I mean, look, the formation I'm looking at here, it's in some sort of a channel, something like this. Okay, something like this, even a broadening channel. Okay, but I'm just still waiting for reversal signs. Maybe go to the 4 hour. Just looking for a double bottom or something, or maybe this will be just a V. Maybe this will be a V straight out of it. Okay, which is a V is like straight down, straight up. Okay, but we'll see. That's what I'm looking at right now on the market recovery, which starts with Bitcoin. So one thing I'm really kind of looking at here to make sure this isn't a cycle top and that we haven't hit a cycle top in the market, not Bitcoin, is I'm looking really to see all moves. If this is the bottom, all moves will retrace back to the 0.618, which is 65,000, which is right up by our lower high. Okay, so our higher low, sorry. So we need to take that out. So when this comes back up here, we need to break 65,000 and create a higher low. Okay, and then that will tell us, okay, bull market, or I would be expecting all-time highs to come in up to 70,000 area. But that's going to be a test. So we need to get up to the 0.618 first, around 65,000, and break the previous high to create a higher low. And then I will become very, very bullish again. And I'm not bullish. I'm still bullish, but there's a bit of work to do. So first of all, we need to break the 63,000, and then we need to create a higher low up here past 65,000. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at right now. That's where the market is standing right now. Coming into a bit of resistance on the hourly with the Ichimiki cloud just above it. You can see that clearly, the cloud of misery. And that's where we're at, all right? It's holding my supports beautifully. But, I'm not convinced I do still think we could have another leg down. Some great buying opportunities down below. We could be quick wicks. I was looking for quick wicks down. So what I mean by quick wick is like snap down. I mean bought back up, okay, and mass panic. I don't know if there's enough panic in the market or fear. We have gone down to 52 in the fear and greed index. You know, you'd really want to be seeing around 20, which would bring us, you know, down around the 55, 53 mark. So I still think we could still go down. Massive wick, massive sell off all of a sudden, and there's mass pandemonium, everybody starts selling. But that's when you don't sell. These are the times you buy. You buy on the supports, knowing that it'll be bought back up and wick back up. Okay, that's not financial advice, by the way. All right, guys, so that's where we are with the market and what's happening right now. Awesome.